Hello everybody. So I'm back with one more video. Today we are going to discuss the important questions in physiology first year BDS. Next chapter, that is blood. The most important question is functions of plasma proteins, and then mechanism of formation of edema. Then they can ask for a short note on fate of RBC, and also we get erythropoiesis. This is like a very famous question, and the factors that regulate it, physiology of erythropoiesis. Stages of erythropoiesis is also a question. Stages of development of erythrocytes, that is. Uh, Write briefly on erythropoietin can also be asked. Erythropoietin and erythropoiesis are different questions. Fate of hemoglobin is one more such question, and then a note on anemia can be asked, like classification of anemia and then symptoms of anemia, then various types of WBCs and their functions. Neutrophils can be asked in specific about their sites of development, stages of development, structure, function, lifespan. Note can be asked about lymphocytes, that is T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, and then on humoral immunity, like role of antigen presenting cells, role of plasma cells, role of memory B cells, helper T cells. Short note on immunoglobulins can be asked, and then brief about platelets, properties of platelets, function of platelets, and then platelets can be asked under headings like normal range and morphology, stages of development, functions, clinical conditions resulting from lack of platelets, and all of that. Next, hemostasis can be asked. Now, hemostasis and homeostasis are two different questions. Hemostasis, under that again, role of platelets can be asked. Blood coagulation can be asked, and then the most important 10 marker question, that is the intrinsic pathway of blood coagulation, also extrinsic pathway of blood coagulation, and then they can ask a note on hemophilia. So, this can more or less come for 10 markers. Classification of blood groups and about mismatched blood transfusion can be asked. Then, ABO blood group system. Landsteiner's law also can be asked. RH blood group and its significance can be asked, and the hazards of blood transfusion. And then on blood substitutes, there can be a question, organic substances in this blood substitutes. What is RH incompatibility can be asked. Role of vitamin B12 and folic acid in erythropoiesis. Write a short note on thrombocytopenia, and then classify immunity, describe cellular immunity. Different types of blood groups and a note on blood transfusion can be asked, basically MNN blood group, Bombay blood group, all of that. Next, composition and function of blood can be asked. Bleeding disorders is a very good 5 marker. Short note on phagocytis can be asked. Then erythroblastosis fetalis can be asked, its mechanism and occurrence, complications. Functions of lymph can be asked, and then describe structure, function, fate of hemoglobin.